Hello traders, Rich here, and here's a quick but detailed update on Ethereum. As usual, if you like video analysis, let me know in the comments or simply leave a like. So let's get started. As we clearly see, Ethereum has been trading inside a big range between our 1.3k support and 2.3k resistance in the shape of a flat rising wedge pattern as mentioned through my previous picture analysis. I mentioned that for the bulls to take over from a long-term perspective or to remain in control, we need to see a weekly candle close above 2.3k. Meanwhile, the bears can still kick in, reject this resistance to trade lower for one more correction movement to the lower band of this wedge pattern before trading higher. If we zoom into daily time frame, we can see the previous bullish setup. I've also mentioned here that we traded higher and we had been making higher lows and higher highs. Currently, we might be failing to make a new higher high, instead make a lower high, but we can't judge just yet. For the confirmation, we would like to see a break below this low. If this low is broken down, expect a deeper correction to around the low band as mentioned previously, where we'll be looking for trend following buy setups and target the 2K again. Meanwhile, from a medium term perspective, we have been trading inside this smaller range. As mentioned previously, for the bullish to take over from a long-term perspective, we need to see a break above the 2.3k from weekly time frame, so a weekly candle close. From a medium-term perspective, we need to see a break above the 2150 from a daily time frame or a daily candle close. In this case, we'll be expecting further bullish movement. For now, from a short-term perspective, again from H4, who are stuck inside the range. If you zoom into lower time frames, if you break below this low or this wick now that just showed up, if you break a diamond from H1, we'll be expecting further bearish movement to the 2K. And if the 2K is broken down, expect a movement to the lower bound of the range, which is also a demand zone where we'll be looking for buy setups. So now I've covered it all from short term, medium term, and long term. As a recap, we are stuck inside the range around the upper bound of it. So we are expecting a bearish move if it's confirmed by breaking below the wick from H1. If the bears persist and we break below this low, expect a deeper correction. Meanwhile, we are bullish and we can still trade higher. If we break above the 2150 daily time frame, expect this. If you break above this 2.3k from weekly time frame, expect a longer term bullish movement to start on Ethereum and of course followed by the entire market. Best of luck and I'll see you hopefully on the next one.